Hi everyone, my name is Khyati Somayaji and I'm a fourth-year medical student at Temple University in Philadelphia. I am so sorry I could not join you all in person at the Southern Medical Association conference, but I am so grateful to be the recipient of the Dr. Donna Brain Scholarship this year. This is an incredible honor that has truly impacted the way that I think about my future as an internal medicine physician. My career goals are focused in academic medicine, where I hope to serve as a future leader, scholar, and mentor alongside my colleagues for the next generation of budding doctors. Along with my medical degree, I am working towards a dual degree in urban bioethics, which gives me a unique lens to understand the socioeconomic factors that affect delivery of healthcare and the gaps in health equity and patient representation. Most importantly, I love to embrace the humanistic side of medicine through many narrative medicine initiatives in and outside the hospital, as well as community-driven projects and research endeavors that put patients first. I cannot thank the Southern Medical Association enough for believing in my potential and providing me with the financial resources and supportive framework to explore the world of academic medicine, clinical research, and socially conscious care. Moreover, I am inspired by the powerful women in leadership positions such as Dr. Breen herself and the example that she sets for women in medicine along with many other women in the country. Thank you again so much. I will never forget this wonderful gift and opportunity that the SMA has offered me and will pay it forward in my own practice. Thank you.